family, how are you doing? It's your girl back again. Karibu sana to Koki's Kitchen. If you're new, you're so much welcome. My name is Faith and here is a channel where we make various African delicacies. I have two segments, Koki's Kitchen and Koki's Story Time. Today guys, as you have seen, I'm in the kitchen, so we're doing something amazing. I'm cooking one of the most requested recipe, obviously known as daga omena, cousin to samaki. Is it cousin or sister? Yeah. So right away guys, let's go into our... So guys, with me here I have the omena themselves over here. Then I have my capsicum, green capsicum. Then I have my dania. I have my tomato paste. This is 1 tablespoon. Then I have my garlic. With me I have beef cubes. I have paprika. I have curry powder, some tomatoes, and some finely chopped onions. So guys, I'm gonna take you step by step to achieving the best omena na yenye si kali. So the first step guys, I am going to wash my omena 3 times with hot water. My water was boiling. So nimesema I'm washing them 3 times with hot water, sindio? So as you can see, my water is hot. So that's the first time. So let me wash it, then drain it, then wash it again. Then finally, I am going to rinse it with cold water. Like cold water inasaidia sasa ziachane zisikae zimeshikana. So guys, this is my final product after I've already rinsed it with cold water. Naona venye ni safi, like it's really clean. So the next step, naenda kuzikausha kwa sufuria. Yeah. So in a sufuria that has heated, just add in your omena. For this first step, we are doing it without oil. Then you are going to add oil later. So you just keep toasting and turning them around till uone zimekauka vizuri. So guys, ukiona imeanza kushikashika hivi chini, you're going now to set it aside because iko sawa. Sinaona imeachana and imekauka. So guys, the next step, obviously, I'm gonna come in with my onions. We start the cooking process. You have to invest in onions. Yeah. Add in your garlic. These are 3 cloves, was it? 3 cloves of garlic, but it depends with the amount of omena you're cooking. So yeah. So next we're going to add in our tomatoes. Followed in by our tomato paste. Guys, I love using tomato paste because of the color. This is 1 tablespoon and those are 3 tomatoes. So tomato paste gives it some nice color, and apart from that, it also gives it some thick soup. You're gonna have like a thick paste, no? Yeah. So the next thing, I'm going to come in with my spices. This is optional, yeah, this is optional. So this is almost 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Actually not curry. Then I'm gonna come in with my paprika. I'm gonna use half, this is a beef cube, nusu. Then mix them all in. So remember, the spices are normally salty, so when you use a lot of spices, please be mindful of your salt intake. So this is enough. Nice guys, you see how the paste is so thick. Capsicum, my green capsicums. like that. So from here we're just adding in as we mix them in all vizuri. So and finally I'm going to come in with my omena. There's a song we used to sing in primary, the omena super Sarah. So let's add in our omena. Let's give some heat and let's mix. Where so obviously I'm going to add in some little water so that the spices can cook in and blend in with the omena. So I'm going to give this around 8 minutes for it to cook, and we're gonna be back. Ooh, so guys, my omena looks delicious, looks amazing. So as a way of finalizing, obviously guys, we are going to garnish it with some dhania, like so, and hii ni omena nyama. It looks amazing. Ooh. Oh my god, Nikam. Where? Man, I just feel kama nakula omena. It's like I'm eating something else. This food is so delicious. Like guys, just follow each and every step. Kwanza hiyo part ya kuosha na maji moto 3 ice, kukamua na maji baridi. Please do that. You're gonna love omena. Haitakuwa kali, haitakuwa zile haja, utakuwa unasikia inakudunga. Mimi sipendi omena zinanidunga. This is my own recipe. This is how I do it, my style. Maybe you might have your own way, but this is how I do mine, and I love it that way. If you feel you wanna try it, you're open to try it, guys. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this recipe with your family and friends. So guys, till next time, from me to you guys, bye bye.